Oh yeah.
As I went down by Huntley Town, leaving Portfield, I met with Bertie O'Kearney, and with him I did care for his two best horses, one was his Harold McLeod, and everything about farm work that I very much know. Oh, he had a daughter, her name was Isabel. She's the lily of the valley, and the and when she went out walking, me for her guide, down by the Burrow Cleary, for to watch the starfish fly. And when 3 months were past and gone, Miss Lass had lost her bloom. The red fell from her rosy cheeks, and her eyes began to see. When 9 long months were past and gone, they bore to me a son, and I was quickly sent for to hear what could be done. I said that I would marry her, for you're no match for me, bonny wee girl, and she's no match for you. And now she's married to a tinker lad from Swahili town. He sells pots and pans and paraffin lamps, and he scouts the dreams. Maybe she's had a better match, oh, we cannot tell. So farewell, lads of Huntley Town, and to go with Huntley together.
Ahí,